This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Completely refreshed. Like new, without the wait. Beautiful all-brick Georgian by Olsen Fine Homebuilding in the coveted Western Gailes neighborhood of award-winning Ford's Colony. Wonderful floor plan with lovely updated white kitchen featuring chef-grade appliances. A sizable first-floor primary suite with dual closets, walk-in shower and soaking tub. A grand keeping room with vaulted ceilings, large formal living and dining rooms, an office, laundry room and half-bath finish the first-floor layout. Upstairs all three sizable bedrooms each had an ensuite bath. Additional large bonus room leads to amazing floored attic storage. New quartz counters throughout the main level, fully refinished Brazilian cherry hardwoods and new carpet throughout, full house paint, new fixtures, impressive trim package and more updates are to be found at this truly turnkey home. Fantastic location to major highways, minutes from fine dining, shopping, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below.